Tällä hetkellä 8. tuloksella 82-42. Pitkälle täytyy tänään heittää, jotta lippu 8. Julius Jääko 82-42. Siitä lähtee kenialainen liikkeelle. Petteri Piironen valmentaa keihäs taakse. Veto on kova ja nyt on pitkä. Nyt on todella pitkä heitto. Ai mikä heitto! Julius Jääko tekee kyllä aivan uskomattoman täräyksen kolmannella kierroksella.
We don't have that culture of people really investing in like field events, especially javelin, so that we can identify the talents early, and early identification of talents will be paramount for better performance in future. Now is the Olympics, which is coming next year, so that is my main focus. And in the last Olympics I won silver, and I want to upgrade it to have a gold medal. I have the gold medal in the World Championship, so I think what I miss is the Olympic gold medal. So yeah, that's my main focus now. So we started training with my coach, and the main thing we are focusing now is just Olympic stage, nothing else.